In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a meeting on Microsoft Teams for Windows. Whether you're joining a meeting with colleagues, catching up with friends, or hosting a virtual event, Microsoft Virtual Teams makes it easy to connect and collaborate online. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to set up and start your own meeting with just a few clicks. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams on your Windows computer. Once you have the application running, the initial task is to sign in. You'll typically find the sign in button prominently displayed on the main home screen. If you've already logged in before, Teams might remember your credentials, but if not, simply enter your email and password. Make sure you have the right account, especially if you're managing multiple profiles, to ensure a smooth process. Once signed in, navigate to the main dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left hand side, you'll see a variety of icons, each leading to different features of Teams. What you're looking for is the video camera icon, which represents the meeting function. Clicking this icon will guide you to the meeting setup page. Now you're on the road to setting up your meeting. With the meeting page open, you'll see the option to start meeting. This is your gateway to connecting with others. Notably, this is where you decide the specifics of your meeting, like privacy settings, audio options, and more. Click Start Meeting to initiate the setup for your session. As you prepare to begin the meeting, Teams offers a preview screen. This is a chance to ensure your camera and microphone are turned on and working as intended. Should you not want to use video, that's perfectly fine. Simply toggle the camera option off. Similarly, test your microphone to make sure it's picking up sound clearly. If you encounter any technical hiccups here, Teams usually provides troubleshooting tips to align your settings correctly. Once satisfied with your settings, confirm your preferences and officially launch the meeting. You'll enter a virtual meeting space where participants can join. Here, you'll see familiar options like chat, screen sharing, and participant management, each enhancing your ability to interact efficiently. In this virtual environment, you have the freedom to add participants either by sending them invites or letting them join using a link. It's important to manage your attendees smoothly to ensure everyone who should be present is present. Congratulations! You've successfully set up and entered a meeting using Microsoft Teams on Windows. This intuitive platform supports everything from small gatherings to large business conferences, making it a flexible option for various meeting needs. Keep practicing your navigation and explore additional features to leverage all that Teams has to offer. Now you're ready to create productive, enjoyable meetings whenever you need.